set path options in LabVIEW, you would have to go to Tools menu, and from there go to Options and wait for the Options dialog box to appear. Once the dialog box appear, go to the paths category, and over there you will see this drop down menu. You will see 4 categories here: temporary directory, default directory, default data directory, and VI search path. To make changes, you will have to remove this check mark, use default, then these options will become available. Once they become available, either you can press this drop down and select the predefined paths where LabVIEW could search for the VIs, or you can press browse button and then browse to the directory that you would want LabVIEW to search into. Select that folder. It will be added to this text box. It is still not added to the LabVIEW search path. To do that, you will either select insert before to insert before the selected path, or insert after, or replace it. Let's insert before. Now remember that if you select either the temporary directory, default directory, or default data directory, since these three have asterisks following their name, you would have to relaunch LabVIEW for these changes to take place. Further, the path that you selected, LabVIEW does not go inside the subdirectories in that path to search for the LabVIEW related objects, VIs, controls, etc. If you want to search inside, you would have to specify either the / if you are on Linux, or / if you are on Windows, or colon if you are on Mac, followed by asterisk sign. Now LabVIEW will go inside the subdirectories of this folder as well. Once you have done the change, press OK to commit the changes to LabVIEW. Hope this video helped you in your programming. Thanks for your visit and thanks for your time.